35% of the marbles in the box is blue. Okay, so blue. Okay, and the rest are green, red, and black. So green, red, black. Alright, there's a given ratio over here, 3:5:4. Okay, but I will use the 35% first. So 35% is for the blue. It is in simplest form, so 35 over 100 is 7/20. Okay, so if you take away 20 with the 7, the rest must be the 13 units. Okay, to start with. Alright, so I'm going to use the fraction first. Okay, a fraction way to write the ratio. 20 units, if I started off with 20 units, 7 would be blue. Okay, this is for blue. Okay, so 7 for blue. The rest must be 13 because 20 minus 7 is 13. Okay, and this is now given, okay, to be changed into the ratio according to the question. Green, red, black. So I have to order green, red, black. 3:5:4. Okay, but the total over here is 3 plus 5 plus 4, which is 12 portions only. Okay, so in order to be 13, in order to change it to 13, you cannot just add 1 to any of them. Okay, you have to change to lowest common multiple. Okay, so for lowest common multiple, it would just be 12 times 13. Okay, right? Since 13 is a prime number, so lowest common multiple would be 12 times 13, which is 156 units. So I'm going to change the total for these 3 portions here, these 3 colors of the marbles, to 156 units. So multiply the other one, the 13 by 12. So it comes from the 13 comes from the 20 units here at first. So everything multiplied by 12 on top. Well, over here you multiply 12 for the 3:5:4 because their total is 12. So multiply to 13. So 354 comes from the 12 portions here, all multiplied by 13. Okay, green would be 39 units. Red would be 5 times 13, 65 units. And black would be 4 times 13, which is 52 units. Okay, so you can check just to make sure that the total here adds up to 156 units. Okay, so over here times carefully, multiply, and the total here also multiply, you'll get 240 units. Right, so we're gonna have a large number of units, so 78 more, next part, 78 more red than green. Okay, so you're gonna use the new ratio now, so we'll only use this portion here, all this. Okay, this is for the total of green, red, and black. Right, so there are 78 more red, okay, than green. So red is over here, green, red, and green. Compare the difference. 26 units. Okay, so 26 units is the difference that we see over here. 78 more red. 26 units is 78. 1 unit, 78 divided by 26, which is 3. Okay. Question: how many marbles are there in the box altogether? Okay, so altogether is a convenient way. That's the total here is given already. So 240 units. 3 times 240, answer 720 marbles altogether.